If you've ever saved a credit card in Google Chrome and now want to remove it, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old payment information, protecting your privacy, or simply making sure the wrong card isn't stored in your browser, it only takes a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu depending on how you normally launch your browser. Once Chrome is open, you'll want to head into the settings area. To do that, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all of the browser's key settings and tools. From the drop-down list, click Settings. Now you're inside the Chrome settings page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with different categories. Look for Autofill and Passwords and click it. This section is where Chrome stores things like saved passwords, addresses, and payment details, so this is the area we need. Inside Autofill and Passwords, click Payment Methods. This is the place where Chrome keeps any saved cards or billing information connected to your browser. If you've ever allowed Chrome to remember a card for faster checkout, it should appear here. Now take a look at the list of saved payment methods. Find the credit card or payment information you want to delete. Once you locate the correct card, click the three dots next to it. A small menu will appear, and from there select Delete. Chrome may ask you to confirm the removal, depending on your browser version. If prompted, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you do that, the saved payment method will be removed from Chrome, and that's it. You've now successfully deleted payment information and credit cards from Google Chrome. This is a quick but important step if you want to keep your browser organized and your personal details under control. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.